Good afternoon and welcome to this session on orientation and reactivity in monosubstituted aromatic rings, and subsequently we'll try to look at the polysubstituted rings also, disubstituted as well as polysubstituted ring. In monosubstituted aromatic ring there are three cases. Case number 1 is when the electron donors are there on the ring. The second case is when acceptor groups are there like NO2, CHO, CF3, etc. And case number 3 is special case for halogens. They are weakly deactivating groups. Yesterday we have written this equation. Toluene when subjected to electrophilic substitution, you get the proportion of ortho, meta and para, and the proportion is directly proportional to the stability of rhenium ion intermediates obtained from the approach of electrophile at ortho, meta and para position. The relative stabilities of transition state resulting from the approach of electrophile at ortho, meta, para position justify the distribution of constitutional isomers. These are constitutional isomers. They are also known as positional isomers. The stability of rhenium ion is directly proportional to the valid resonating structures. So we'll come to that. What is valid resonating structure? If you look at the resonance, writing the resonance structure, certain rules were told to you. So those rhenium ion transition states, where while writing the transition states, we'll see how the electron movement should be there, electron push mechanism for the formation of these kind of intermediates and their relative stabilities in terms of their valid resonating structures. So first of all we'll see with the methyl group itself. The toluene when subjected to electrophilic substitution, there are three possibilities. Either the electrophile approaches at ortho position, meta position and para position, and therefore there are three things. First one is ortho attack of electrophile, and how to show it? We'll show it like this. CH3 and electrophile. This will be electron deficient now because carbon is not having the tetravalency in that case. When you look at this, now this is resonance stabilized. Okay. Now this is first structure, let us say. The second structure is resulting from the delocalization of the positive charge. So positive charge is shifted here. So this is your second canonical structure, and ultimately you can have one more by the virtue of this pi electron cloud, and the positive charge is shifted here. Now beside this you can also write hyperconjugative structures, because your methyl group is attached to a carbon which is bearing positive charge. So I am just putting one hyperconjugative structure for the sake of illustration. So your CH sigma electrons can assist the stabilization, and you can get the additional stabilization by the virtue of the hyperconjugation. So three valid resonating structures plus three hyperconjugative structures. So this is additional stabilization. So for ortho attack there are three valid resonating structures possible. Similarly, if I look at the meta attack of electrophile, or if the meta position of benzene interacts with the electrophile, this is the resulting transition state wherein your electrophile is bonded to the meta position, and subsequently you see that the positive charge is coming on para position. For ortho the things are different. Now here this also enjoys the stabilization by the virtue of resonance. The positive charge is shifted here, and now this is first canonical structure, this is second canonical structure, and subsequently you will have third canonical structure wherein your positive charge is shifted here now. So three canonical structure for meta substitution. So this is ortho attack, this is meta approach or attack, anything you can say. And there are three. So for ortho attack there are three valid resonating structures plus hyperconjugation that is there. For meta attack only three valid resonating structures are there. This is not there because to have hyperconjugation the positive charge must be there on the carbon which is bearing methyl. Now that is not the case anywhere. So this meta attack is not enjoying the special stabilization by the virtue of hyperconjugation. Now I will use the same drawings to show that how para approach is going to have the additional stabilization by the virtue of hyperconjugation. So to show that, again I have to use the same pi bond. Now here I will put para approach of the electrophile, or para position is substituted with electrophile, and ultimately you put positive charge on the at the meta position. So this will have the first resonating structure, then second resonating structure is resulting from the approach of your p or orbitals. This is second structure. One more structure one can draw, that is when the pi cloud interacts and you get this. So three valid resonating structures are there, and here in addition to this you will have hyperconjugative stabilization. So hyperconjugation is going to cause. So para product or para approach is having three valid resonating structures plus hyperconjugation. So overall if you look at this, the ortho and para approach of electrophile is justified because those transition states will have more valid resonating structures and they are going to have less energy of activation barrier to overcome, and therefore methyl group is known as ortho para directing group. That is just because the transition states are states resulting from ortho and para approach are relatively more stable. If you look at the reactivity, incorporation of methyl group will enhance the reactivity of benzene ring, and obviously all the positions are electron rich, but at ortho and para the electron density will be maximum and the chances of electrophilic substitutions are higher at ortho and para. Okay. Now the second case. Our second case is the case with electron acceptor group. So I will take the popular example of nitrobenzene. If nitrobenzene is our substrate, then you can have three possibilities. I will just put the things quickly here. These are the various possibilities for electrophilic substitution. Either it will take place at ortho position, meta or para. The resulting intermediates directly I will put the transition states. If the ortho attack takes place, then you will have electrophile here. The remaining two bonds are intact. If the meta substitution occurs, then you will have a bond with meta carbon, and third one is when the para position is substituted by the electrophile, then we will have positive charge at meta position. So these are the first transition states. Now if you look at this resonating structure, the problem is positive charge is there on the carbon which is bearing strong electron withdrawing group. So this structure has got a problem, and this is termed as invalid resonating structure, because there is lot of charge repulsion would be there, plus NO2 group is powerful electron withdrawing group. So this is going to be invalid structure, but the other two structures are valid, wherein you can see the delocalization of pi cloud by the virtue of resonance effect. This is there, and one more is possible, wherein you will have the second valid resonating structure. So in all you will be having two valid resonating structures. So ortho approach will have two valid resonating structures, of course, for the transition state. Similarly, we will have to look at meta and para. I am just putting the things together so that it will be easy for you to understand, right? Now for meta approach, once again we have to show the delocalization, and now if I look at this, the positive charge is shifted here. Now this is first structure, second structure, this is second structure, and one more is possible because this pi cloud can assist in the stabilization of this charge, and thereby we will have the third resonating structure. So this is 3. So for this there are 3 valid resonating structures, and for para approach this is first one, and the second also we will put. The second structure is going to be invalid because this is going to have a similar problem to that of the transition state obtained from the. So this is invalid structure because this has got a repulsion between the two similar charges, and lastly we can have additional stabilization by the virtue of resonance when the other pi bond participates, and you get this. So this is going to be second. So you will be having 2 valid resonating structures with ortho para and 3 with meta, and that's why we say that NO2 group is strong electron withdrawing group, and it is meta orienting because the transition state which is formed due to the meta approach of electrophile has got more stabilization in terms of valid resonating structures. Now coming to the third case where halogens are there. We know that halogens are electronegative and they are going to exert minus I effect on the aromatic ring. So overall reactivity of benzene ring will be very less because the halogens are going to exert minus I effect. Let us say the example of chlorobenzene and electrophile approaching at ortho, meta and para position. A similar structures one can draw. The only thing is here you will have to remember the unshared electron pair of the halogen, which is also important. This is the first structure, this is second structure, which is resulting from the resonance effect. Cl positive charge will be shifted here, and lastly this is the second structure, and when this pi cloud participates in the stabilization of resonance, this is where the positive charge would be. Here. So, 3 valid resonating structures for ortho attack, 3 structures. In addition to this, the unshared electron pair of the chlorine can leads to the formation of additional structure, and this is possible because chlorine or any halogen atom for that matter has got a unshared electron pair. So, this is the additional stabilization. So, you are going to have 4 resonating structures, 3 valid plus 1 which is because of the halogen. Similarly, for meta and para we have to see. For meta substitution, I will just clear the things so that we can draw the structures quickly. For meta substitution, the Cl is there. Now electrophile is here and the remaining 2 bonds are here. Now this is the first resonating structure. Second resonating structure is resulting when the pi cloud interacts, and you will have positive charge here. This is second, this is first, and one more is possible. So, you will end up with the 3 valid resonating structures, but no 3 valid resonating structure, but no stabilization from halogen, from X. Okay. For para substitution, once again we have to show that the para position is substituted, positive charge on either meta position, and now we can show the shifting of pi cloud. This double bond is intact, and now this double bond has shifted here. Once again the additional stabilization is possible with halogen. Beside this there will be one more structure. So both these structures I am just putting them together. So this is second structure, this is first one, this is third structure wherein the pi cloud is participating. I will just put that structure and the Cl and plus the additional stabilization when halogen is participating. So this is there and Cl plus. So this is the fourth structure. So you will have 3 valid resonating structures plus 1 due to halogen. So naturally when halogen is exerting minus I effect, the reactivity of benzene ring would be less, but because of the unshared electron pair which are useful in stabilizing the rhenium ion intermediate by the virtue of resonance effect, the resonance effect is predominant here, and that's why halogens are known as orthopara directing group, although they are weakly deactivating groups.